friends, good day to all. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Ashoka Alva. It's gonna be a glossy and a smooth alva. Let's all try this at your home. So the first step is I have taken 1 cup of moong dal and then I am going to place it in the pressure cooker. Give some 4 to 5 whistle in the pressure. In the meanwhile, we will start roasting the cashew nut and the rinds. Okay, so I have added some ghee in the kadai and then I am going to roast the cashew nut. Okay. See, it got roasted now. Now transfer this to the separate plate and keep it aside. Now in the same kadai add some 1/4 cup of ghee and then roast 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Okay. Stir the wheat flour and roast till it turns aromatic and the lump free. See, the ghee is not enough for me, so I am going to add another 1 tablespoon of ghee and then roast it. This wheat flour will give the perfect texture to the halwa. That's why we are adding this wheat flour. See, it blends completely. That's all. Now let's add the moong dal mixture to this wheat flour. Moong dal is cooked completely now. Now try to mash it somewhat more and then add it to the wheat flour mixture. Even though if it not looks like smooth fully, if you are going to mix it with the wheat flour and stir continuously while preparing halwa, it will become very smooth at the end. Don't worry. See, I have mixed the moong dal and the wheat flour completely. Now add another some 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix it well. See, the mixture got thick now. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil. That is, I have added in big spoon. It can be approximately 2 to 3 tablespoon of oil. Okay. Now add the kesari powder to it. You can add any of your favorite color, but usually Ashoka Alva will be in red or orange color. Okay, mix it properly well and add some 1/4 tumbler of water to it, because then only that powder will get mixed completely with the mixture. See, the mixture starts to thicken slightly. So at this stage add some 1/2 cup of sugar. So I have taken 1 cup of moong dal, so I am adding 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, that will be an correct proportion. Then dissolve the sugar completely in the medium flame. Cook for some 15 to 20 minutes hereafter. Stir it well until the mixture turns glossy. Stir it continuously so that it will not get stick to the pan. See, you are able to see the formation of alva now. Now you can add the already roasted cashew nut and the rinse into it. And mix everything well. That's all. Delicious and smoothie and glossy alva is ready to have now. Wow, it looks awesome, isn't it? Transfer this to the bowl and serve it hot with your family members. I'm damn sure it will melt in the mouth. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.